Hello, my name is Ashin, and in this video, I'll be walking through the code and the app which I've created as part of 3.1 credit task. So, this is a quiz app I have created where you can provide your name and click on start. Also, we do have toggle dark mode on and off. So the code of this app contains mainly five classes of Java, and the first one I would like to show is the constants.java, which contains the static values such as the username, total questions, correct answers, theme preferences, etc., along with the questions and its respective options with the right answer. And the next Java file is question, which basically act as a model for the questions that are contained in the constants file. And the first activity is the main activity, which is loaded once the app is started. And like all the other main activity, we do have variable name and it's been initialized here. Along with, we use shared preferences, get shared preferences method to get the preferences such as the name, which we enter in the app, as well as the dark or the white mode, which will be saved into save preferences. So once the app is restarted, that saved preferences will be available. And we do have the switch theme function here, which will be triggered once we click on this toggle switch on or off, and for switching. And we use the inbuilt function of Android, that is app compat delegate set default night mode on or off for switching between the light mode and dark mode. And we do have a button start set on click listener on to this start button, which will be collecting the name present in this input area, and it will check if the name is empty or not. And if the name is empty, it will ask to enter the name, or else it will go to the quiz activity. Quiz activity is the one of the core activity that is involved in this quiz app. It contains the logic of all the quiz related process, and it has a method set question, which will be loading questions from the constants file via the help of the question.java file into these activities so that it can be displayed to the user along with the question, its options. And default option view, if the is set to view the options, display the options to the user. And we do have the on click listener, which will be triggered once a user click on submit. And it has the logic which is written if else if statement to check if the answers chosen by the user is correct or not. And once that is done, from the quiz activity we'll be going to the result activity after five questions. And in this activity we will be getting the name passed from the previous file, that is quiz activity, which got the name passed from the main activity. And we'll have the name here as well as the options chosen by the user, which is checked against the correct options that is available in the constants.java file. And the mark will be provided at the end. So let's start testing the app. Right now I'm going to provide my name and click on start. So this will take us to the question at the very top, and we have four options given as the button type, and you can choose anything from this as anything from this four option. I have chosen the 12, and once I click on the submit button, it triggers the on click function in the quiz activity. And right now I can see that my answer is correct, because as 5 plus 7 is 12. And if here we do have the progress bar and the number 1 out of 5, so we have attempted one question out of 5. Let's click on next, and if I choose some wrong answer here, it will highlight in red and the correct answer in green, and the progress bar is changing. And if I submit, that's correct answer, and that's correct answer, and go to next question, and 30, again that's correct answer. And if I click on finish, it says congratulations, and it gets my name persisted from the previous screens, and the score is out 4 out of 5, because our 4 answers are correct and 5 out of 5 questions. And I do have two buttons in the result screen, that is take new quiz or finish. If I click on finish, the app will be closed, and take new quiz will be starting the new the quiz again. And I do have the theme file here, which is as a XML. This is our normal light theme, which contains our colors and all the colors and the variants of the colors that will be used in the white theme. And we do have theme.xml, which is for the night theme. And we do have the next one, strings.html, which stores the necessary strings for the application. And the layout is main activities in XML format. And we do have the activity queues XML, and we do have the activity result XML as well. That's it. Thank you.